Hey everybody, this is Bing from WonderBing Travel, and today I'm sitting in the Costco parking lot getting ready to go in and scope out my part 2 of all the camping things. So I did a camping review a while back and it was fun and there were lots of good things and whatever, but I've realized they have so much more now. So today I'm going back to do a whole nother round, so come along with me. Also check out my other Costco video in case you missed it, because there are lots of goodies in there. And as a solo road tripper, I'm going to be looking at all of the things that help make my traveling easier. Here we are. Gotta love Costco. What's not to love? The long lines. You know what's not to love about Costco is when you have to wait in line to get a chicken, because people take like 3 and then they're gone in a minute. But they're the best chickens on the face of the earth. So anyway, let's go in and see what we can find. All right, we're headed in. All right, here we go. Let's see what we can find. The first item that I really liked was this weatherproof vintage outdoor blanket. So you could use it for camping, but you could also use it for any other outdoor activities. They had 4 different designs. I really liked this one. I love the design. I love that you could roll it up and sling it over your shoulder. It was really nice size as well. So I was trying to feel the material here. It is washable. I thought that was really cool. And the price was great. It was only $14.99 right now. Okay, so now I'm home and thought I would open up my blanket and see what it's like. Okay, let's check it out. It's really hard Velcro here, which I appreciate. And wow, it's so nice. Oh my gosh, I think I'm going to love it. Okay, I've laid it, well, it's not the only thing laying on my patio. I've laid it out here on my patio. It is actually quite large. It's really pretty too. I would say that it's probably 5 by 7. It's definitely washable. It has a nice feel to it. It's not super cushy or anything, but really good for just a picnic blanket or taking along on a hike where you're going to know you're going to be stopping for a while. When it folds up, then you use the Velcro to turn it back into a little roll, and then you pick it up like this. What do you think, Lex? I think we're going to like it a lot, and I think she's going, yes. Okay, back in store now, and I found this really cool Coho 24 quart cooler. It was only $49.99, which is $20 off the online price and $10 off the regular in-store price. I liked the handle. I liked how sturdy it was. It has great reviews online. It has a very deep well. It's not really big and bulky like so many other coolers are. People were saying that it definitely keeps things cold for 2 to 3 days, which honestly, sometimes that's all I need. So, like I said, great price. Thought it was really sleek and cool looking. So you might want to check this one out. I made a mistake in not buying this in the store. I am definitely going to go back while it is still on sale and pick one up. And part of it is because I think I might have a cooler problem. But gosh, I don't know. I just thought it was super cute and very affordable. All right, this item is for the car, not so much for the campsite. But you know what? You need the car to get to the campsite. So this is a memory foam seat cushion that you can put on your driver's seat. Obviously, it fits on a passenger seat too. But I love that it was memory foam, that it was very cushy. I also like that it didn't look super bulky, and I sit on my bottom a lot because I drive a lot, and I thought this might be a really nice addition to help maintain just comfort as I'm traveling. It was $24.99, and I did buy one. Okay, so I told you guys that I bought the seat cushion. So here it is here, and I'm going to give it a try. Oh, it's very cushy. All right, I like that it is not too thick, because I think that was going to provide like too much sitting up too high. Looks like this comes off and it's washable, which is awesome. All right, let's give it the real test. Okay, in my opinion, I think I love it. I definitely sit up a little bit, but I can put my seat down and I can move my steering wheel up to adjust. But wow, what a difference just that little bit makes. I think I'm gonna like it for the long haul for sure. So I'll have to try it out a little bit and get back to you, but I think out of the box, 10 of the 10. The next item is pepper spray. Not the happiest thing, but something that you should definitely carry with you, especially as a solo female traveler. I always have pepper spray with me in my car and my campsite and when I'm hiking. I love that this was the same ingredients that law enforcement use. There was a 4-pack. It had a little ring on it. It just seemed like an easy, no-brainer purchase. The cost was only $19.99 for 4 of them, and I definitely picked them up. I know this isn't too complicated, but I thought I would take one out and just make sure that it is exactly what I thought it would be. Okay, it's my least favorite packaging, which requires cutting because they never come out easily. I'm always afraid I'm going to cut myself in the plastic, but I'm just going to pop one. There are 4 in here, remember? Okay, so as you can see, you can put this on a belt loop or on a backpack or on my little Kabu bag, even in your pocket or my lanyard around my neck. I keep a lanyard with just my car key and pepper spray when I'm hiking. Okay, has also a little clip here, so it could tuck in as well, and then it just slides. Turn it on, turn it off, so it's safe and nothing's going to happen. Okay, I am gonna test the spray and see. Okay, it did go pretty far. I would say probably about 15 feet. I didn't hold it down for long. It does have quite a bit in it. It is kind of reddish when it comes out. Okay, also love that this is made in the USA, so that's a good thing too. Definitely be taking, probably I'll take a couple of these with me on my trip because I can keep one in the car and then one in my bag, my hiking bag, and close by me when I'm camping as well. All right, I think it's a good thing. Found these really cool LED powered headlamps. There was a 3-pack. The price was really good. They seem like a great product. Headlamps are awesome to have in your campsite just to be hands-free. These have batteries that come with them, both the rechargeable kind and the regular kind. It looked like they were super powerful. Thought that they were probably a really good buy. I do confess I did not make a purchase here. I just couldn't buy all the things today, but check it out. Okay, the next item, which obviously not just for camping and maybe not even great for camping necessarily, except for just kind of running around the campsite, was this really fun, very easy to wipe off, super cushy flip-flops for only $14.99. I definitely bought a pair. I thought they were great because you could just hose them off and they seemed really comfortable. I took them home, tried them on. Here you can see they're super cushy and I like them. They're very comfy and they also have a good tread on the bottom, which I thought was really helpful. Lexi didn't really have an opinion, doesn't really need shoes, but she's always right there just in case. Okay, the last item, because you need a snack, is the Archer beef sticks. These are the mini ones. I love these. I have them in my house all the time, but I never go road tripping without them. Keep them in the car, keep them in my bag when I'm hiking. They only have 45 calories. They don't have any sugar in them. They taste delicious, and they've got a little bit of a spice to them, which I love as well. I haven't had this other brand. They looked really good. They do have more calories, and they also have brown sugar, which makes them delicious, but more calories. So you decide which one you like, what you like best, but you shouldn't leave home without beef sticks. Unless, of course, you're vegetarian, which is fine, but beef sticks are pretty great. Let's see how it all turned out. So my Costco trip was successful. I learned a lot today, got some great ideas. Didn't buy that much, but I did get 3 things that I was showing you, and I'll think about the rest. Oh, and I got a chicken. Of course you gotta have a chicken. Dinner done. Okay, so all in all, it was a super successful and really not very expensive trip to Costco because sometimes I can spend a little bit too much money there. Really happy to have walked away with my pepper spray, with my new flip-flops, which I really like. I've tried them out now and I do really like them. They're very cushy. My new blanket and my Archer's beef sticks. I love these, you guys. I eat them all the time. I don't need to be camping or road tripping. I eat them all the time. So love them. Please check out our other videos on camping. Make sure to subscribe and follow this channel because Lexi and I are going to be doing so much fun stuff this summer and fall road tripping all over the western part of the U.S. Can't wait to share that with you. And if you haven't gotten your copy of There's Wonder Around the Bend, please grab it in the description below and enjoy planning your own solo road trip. Can't wait to see you on the road.